Hey everyone, this is Jared here with Team Adventures with BG, and today I am doing a first look and first impressions of the PIOOCAN S10 Pro flashlight. So getting it open, here is the flashlight itself. We'll take a look at that. Let's see what else we've got in the box. Pretty standard stuff, USB-A to USB-C. We've got a lanyard, and then a very small instruction manual. So let's just get this out of the way so we can discuss the flashlight. So first up, it does have a magnetic base and it has a clip. Those are some of the key features. Also back here is the USB-C type charger. And finally, you have the button to turn it on, and there's the flashlight itself. So a little bit about this. There are 5 modes. It's going to range from turbo, high, medium, a low, SOS. At its max, it's 250 lumens on turbo. It has a throw range of 259 meters. It is IPX8 rated, and it's 1 meter drop resistant. So a little bit more about its light functions. So on high, it's going to range from 2500 to 1800 lumens, and it will run for an hour and a half. And it's on its low mode, it's only 10 lumens, but it will last for 160 hours. Another cool thing about this flashlight is it's very fast charging. You can charge it all the way in as little as 3 to 4 hours. So it's slated to be like 160, 180% faster than other flashlights of its size. So pretty cool design. This magnetic cap is kind of becoming the standard from what I've seen in flashlights, as well as just including this basic clip. So hang out, I'll go outside and I'll show you the 5 modes.
Okay, so I'm out here at my local park. No cloud cover tonight, so there's quite a few stars. No moon's up yet, so medium bright. But I have the PIOOCAN S10 Pro. I'm going to show you the modes here at night. So it has a low, medium, high, / turbo, SOS, and a flashing. So it's kind of different from the product description, but those are the actual modes. Okay, so first thing, we have the low. You might be able to barely see that. It's right at my feet. That's 10 lumens. Then the next one we have is going to be long press to medium. That's 300 lumens. So you can kind of see out there to that drainage ditch, and a few feet past it. Then long press. This is the high and turbo. So you can see out there, you can see that bench and some of the trees around it. That's 2500 lumens. It does have a drop down to 1800 lumens when it's been on for over a minute. And then for a double press, it goes into a flashing mode. So that's like your safety emergency if you need help. That is at about 800 lumens. And then another double press will take you to an SOS mode. So it flashes the SOS, so people definitely know if they're aware of that to come help you. Then you double press or single press, it'll take you back to turbo. Long press, and we'll go to medium so you can see it also has a smart feature. So if I turn it off, it goes straight back to that medium. So this light does have a lot of cool features. It's got the clip, magnetic base, USB-C rechargeable. The battery can last 50,000 hours, so that's a crazy amount. You just keep charging it, run it for 3 or 4 hours at a time. You get a lot of power at 2500 lumens for the weight and the size. So this is definitely something that you could EDC if you want a lot of power. You're not going to be compromising. It's going to be great if you take it camping, hiking, just leave it in your car. So I'm probably going to use this either in my car or one of my camping loadout kits. So thanks for watching, and make sure you join me on my next adventure.